Hey y'all, it's the girl Kitty Cat. You know what it is. Take a break. I don't know about you, but I am quite excited for today's video. Because what? I love plants. If you're gonna see my room, guys, you're gonna love what's coming. Okay, I just want to say, yo, to the new subscribers, hey, and if you're an old subscriber, thank you for always showing love to the girl. We love to see it. Okay, guys, so today we have a guest. Yes, he's gonna be doing the manly work in the house. So come in, my brother. Introduce thyself.
It is I, Kiki. Oh, don't mind the glasses, guys. Ish, yesterday was very tiring. Hey, like yesterday was super tiring. My eyes are red, so I wanna appear on this channel looking like with red eyes. You know what I'm saying? Like I smoke the plants. I don't do those things. You know what I'm saying? So just don't mind the glasses. You know what I'm saying? I'm hitting that Ray J.
What? Anyway, yo, he's gonna be helping me do some of the projects in the house that are manly. So let's get into it, yo. This project is gonna be a mini garden, and we're gonna be using those Checkers little garden 2 things. Checkers should definitely give me a sponsorship after this. I don't know about you, but I see it happening. So we're going to be using this and putting them in here. So okay, so basically what we're going to be doing is we're going to put the soil pot here and pour 400 mils. I already measured it, guys, so don't worry. We're just going to pour it over this soil pot, the water, and then we're gonna use our fingers to break it apart. So now we're gonna transfer the soil into the little jar thing that they gave us, right? We're not gonna put all of it. Then we're gonna put in the seeds, right? And we have to put it vertically, which is upright, and then we put the rest of the soil inside. So you only have to put the soil up until the colored part of it. If you have these Checkers ones, you'll be able to understand what I'm saying. So basically we've put it in. I didn't even use all the soil. Okay, well, that's it. And then we'll just take this and put it in our mini garden. So basically now we are complete with our little garden. Obviously as time goes by, you're going to add more onto your little garden, and remember to put it in direct sunlight, water it as much as possible. You should read what the seeds say, and then we'll go from there. So yay, you know what, Checkers, I feel like you should really hit me up because I'm ready for y'all. Gonna take a bit of practice, but with practice comes perfect, I think. I don't know, but we're gonna draw this part in to the middle of the table, and you're gonna flip it over so that you have the shape. Then you put your pot plant here, Then you take this part, put it in the center of that, draw it over again, and then you pull, right, delicately, and then you take it over the pot plant. Now you see this string is the one you're gonna put over here, and then you... Okay guys, so basically we've made a pot plant, hanging plant, and it's gonna look so beautiful, guys. I can't wait to show you the end product and how we're gonna assemble it in the room. And yeah, that's the next project done. So the next project, we're going to be needing a piece of wood, cotton twine, and scissors. So like I've said plenty of times before, I always have extra wood that is chilling in the house. If trees could kill, they would. Damn, I am so hilarious. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Anyway, guys, we're going to be making a hanging wooden pot plant holder, right? It's an alternative for the one that I did previously, so I think this one would be better even. Okay, so what we're gonna do now is take the cotton twine, and you can measure however much you want to use. I'm just gonna make it as long as possible so it is hanging, and then you're gonna cut it, yeah. Anyway, you're gonna cut it, then you're gonna tie a knot because they have to get married. Tie a knot right there. Then you're gonna take your wood and you're gonna put the cotton through it, right, like that, and on the other side as well. Try to get it as equal as possible, right? We don't want to make it look all skew on the wall. And then you're going to turn it this way around, and you're gonna open it up so that it is leaning on both sides of the wood, like that. And then you're gonna do the same on the other side. Okay guys, so there is still more to come for this video. This is part 1. In part 2, you're going to be seeing my brother doing the many things, you know what it is. And he's got one of his own small projects he's going to do for us to see. So guys, stay tuned for part 2. Like, subscribe, comment, you know, share with the masses, show the girls some love. And ciao guys, I'll see you when I see you.